Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp chats for everyone. That's mean from both sides. So to do this, you just need to go to WhatsApp and after that, go to the conversation, which like you want to delete the message from both sides. For example, I want to delete the last two messages from everyone. I will select the last two messages. After that, I will click on the delete icon and choose the first option, delete for everyone. And as you can see, my messages now are deleted from or for both sides. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.